The circle of fifths is a design made for learning the building blocks of music theory. On the circle of fifths, relevant details are placed close to one another, and the proximity of each item on the chart in relation to other items is very important. Within the design, there are 12 points of direction and 2 rings of letters. The 12 points of direction represent the small differences in sharp and flat tones that make each musical scale unique. The 2 rings represent the 24 common musical scales, of which there are 12 minor scales placed on the inner circle of the design and 12 major scales placed on the outer circle of the design. No matter what your skill with music may be, by studying and practicing the concepts presented on the circle of fifths, over time your knowledge of musical theory will certainly flourish. The C major scale. The A minor scale. The G major scale. The E minor scale. The D major scale. The B and C flat minor scale. The A major scale. The F sharp and G flat minor scale. The E major scale. The C sharp and D flat minor scale. The B and C flat major scale. The A flat minor scale. The F sharp and G flat major scale. The E flat minor scale. The C sharp and D flat major scale. The B flat minor scale. The A flat major scale. The F minor scale. The E flat major scale. The C minor scale. The B flat major scale. The G minor scale. The F major scale. The D minor scale. The order of sharps is a series of 7 letters running from left to right along the outer ring of the circle of fifths. It is made up of the letters F, C, G. The order of flats is a series of 7 letters running from right to left along the outer ring of the circle of fifths. It is made up of the letters B, E, A, D. The musical alphabet is made up of 7 special tones. These tones have been named after the first 7 letters of the English alphabet and repeat indefinitely to create the musical alphabet. A, B,